Sweet. Okay, so the purpose of this stream is to show off some work that I did for Giveth. And I wanted to use Jitsi, but it wasn't working out, so I got to learn OBS. So let me show you what I did yesterday first. And to do that, I'll stop displaying myself, and I will display the video capture. Okay, so cool, let's do this. So this is the Giveth dApp running locally on my system right now. And what I have always wanted to do is create some sort of test, really integration tests, but unit tests too. They're all good. And but I was having a real hard time doing that before because of the state of the code, which was what's going on here. Open recent? Sure. Giveth dApp. Okay. Okay, yeah, so unit tests are great. We always love those, but it was a little bit difficult before because the code was written, what can I say? The UX, the UI, and the logic were just mixed together. And so on all the views, you had your logic as well, which is perfectly fine way to start off coding a website or something that has a big UI, but actually makes it tough to test. So I gave a whole video on this exact subject, so I don't want to backtrack too much. All I want to do is show you what I worked on yesterday, which was to set up unit tests, at least at the beginning of unit tests. So here are all my folders, and I guess the stuff that's yellow or green is the stuff that I've added. Really all I guess I want to show you is Jest. So before I was using Mocha a couple months ago, and that required me to use Mocha, Chai, and Enzyme. But as I was playing around with it over the last weekend and yesterday, I was liking Jest as the option, and here it is finally running. It's running this test that's right up here, and all it has is two fake tests. It just says expect 2 plus 2 to be 4. But here you can see the two different styles. One is using test, and then you put what the test sentence is right here, and the other one is using describe and it. And so those are things that Jest provides. You can get something very similar with Mocha and Chai, but Jest puts it together, and it's funny because before I tried Jest 2 and I hated it, and for whatever reason this time I'm trying it and it's working a little bit more smoothly. Not smoothly enough to be running very fast though, as you can see, so I'll keep talking. So I guess I should check that. It's actually a huge pain to get this thing started. You have to import a bunch of stuff, which seems like it's par for the course in the JavaScript world. So as you can see, this blue line right here, all this stuff was new, and it was not easy to put all this stuff together. I found a couple of blog posts. I'm thinking about doing a video where all I do is talk about how to set up one of these things. And like, anyways, it was like line by line, little by little, I figured out everything that needed to be done. You have to have this Babel preset thing, obviously. You got to set your environment variable. I guess people that are used to Node should be good with that. This Jest thing still isn't finished running, which is super embarrassing again. Maybe Jest does suck. Finally, Jesus. Okay, so it passed. These two tests took all this time. I don't know why. But my point is, for this one video, is that's what I did yesterday. And then today my goal is to actually get a test that's more than just 2 plus 2 equals 4. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Go back to this here. I'll say stop this. Okay, yeah. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope to make another one with a better looking test. Thanks. Bye.